Hello guys, let us start the nomenclature of organic compound. Nomenclature of organic compound. It is the most important part of the organic chemistry. सबुठू important part. ओके इतरे बहुत पिलांकर डाउट ही थाए इतरे किंतु very simple बहुत ही सहज. You just follow up the some rule and you have to remember the functional group first. You have to remember the functional group. You have to identify the functional group. This is the main part. So we first read about the functional group. Functional group. What do you mean by functional group? तो functional group रो माने कौन? Functional group means a atom or a group of atom present in organic compound which determine the characteristics or properties of the compounds. An atom or group of atom present an atom or group of atom present in organic compound which determine an atom or a group of atom present in organic compound which determine or decide the characteristics of organic compound. Okay, which determine the characteristics of organic compound. Suppose C2H5OH. These group of atom in the OH determine the characteristics of this compound. Mean as the alcohol, the preparation also determined through a process or it react with other molecule with a process. All the characteristics determined by the presence of functional group. So you know about the some functional group and you have to remember the functional group. Okay. Functional group name. Then on next video we read about the what is prefix and suffix used for the functional group. The first functional group bond X. Bond X means halo or halogen. Halogen represent to chlorine, bromine, iodine. As it is the salt forming element, it is known as the halo. Okay, or you can, that is also halogen. Due to the attach of halo, it is halogen. But functional group is halo. Bond OH. Bond OH, alcohol. Bond OH name is alcohol. Okay. For example, in halo, suppose CH3X or CH3CHCl like that. In alcohol, suppose CH3OH, C2H5OH. So OH means that is the functional group of alcohol. So in an organic compound, but during naming, first you should identify the functional group. That is the hero of the nomenclature. Okay, it is the main part of the nomenclature. Then third functional group is C double bond O single bond H, or that can written as CHO, aldehyde. For example, HCHO, formaldehyde, या CH3CHO, that can be written as CHO or C double bond OH. Next, C double bond O bond. Mean here is also carbon, here is also carbon. In middle present the C double bond O or bond CO bond. यदि या केवल डबल बॉन्ड लगुची बा CO रोचु, then you can clear that is the ketone, that is ketone, and both are the called carbonyl compound, carbonyl, like the CH3 CO CH3, at least 3 carbon required to start an ketone group. There is not possible in 2 carbon because it is not ending functional group. ये केबे भी end position ले लागिबो नहीं, सब बोले middle position लागिबो, so at least 3, then 4 5 6 as much as you can attach to the bond. Okay, then bond C double bond O single bond OH, or bond COOH, carboxylic acid, carboxylic acid. For example, common form is RCOOH or HCOOH or CH3COOH. You first identify what is the functional group. Then bond C double bond O single bond OH replaced by OR, suppose, mean RCOOR, that is ester. Suppose CH3 COO C2H5, like that. Here is R, mean alkyl group, this is also alkyl group, the RCOOR, so that it is ester. Third is C but double bond O OH replaced by NH2, or RCONH2, or RCONH2, that is acid amide. Okay, suppose CH3 CO CH3, yeah, C2H5, sorry, NH2, C2H5 CO NH2, like that. If OH replaced by halogen, bond C double bond O X, or RCOX, that is called acid chloride, or acid halide, not chloride, chlorine attached, that is the chloride, then bromine attached, that is bromide, so acid halide. Suppose RCOX or CH3COCl, like that. Okay, these are the derivative of carboxylic acid. There is also another derivative of carboxylic acid. When RC double bond O C double bond O R, or RCO whole to O, then that is called acid anhydride. तो आम गोटे ग्रुप वाइज नोमेनकल्चर करी जीवु. ओके, गोटे ग्रुप वाइज नोमेनकल्चर आगे अल्केन अल्कीन अल्काइन देन अल्केन गोटे डेफिनेट ऑर्डर रे जीवु. सो यू शुड फर्स्ट रिमेंबर व्हाट इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप. तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप कौन, ये हूँ सबसे इंपोर्टाट थिंग मैंने सबुठ इंपोर्टाट या मन रखार अच्छे या आइडेंटिफाई करार अच्छे गोटे प्रॉपर पोजिशन रे गोटे नेमिंग रे फास्ट तुमको आइडेंटिफाई करनबार अच्छे भितर कौन कौन फंक्शनल ग्रुप अच्छे से अनुसार तुम रूल को फॉलोअप कर जमी जदि या मन न रखुच एबीसीडी न शिखिकी इंग्लीश लैंग्वेज पढ़ा जा या न जाणिकी ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री पढ़ा हो से जहाँ भी तुमको डिफिकल्ट लगे ही लगे सो फास्ट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर या रिमेंबरिंग करार अच्छी मेमोराइज करार अच्छी देन द नेमिंग और नोमेनक्लेचर शुड बी वेरी इजी दैट इज एसिड अनहाइड्रेट then these are the derivative of this is the carboxylic acid when OH replaced by OR replaced to OS then that is called ester replaced by NH2 that is called acetamide replaced by X that is acid halide replaced by RCO that is RCOO that is called acid anhydride these are the derived from the carboxylic acid for example CH3 CO whole 2 O like that these are the acid anhydride R NH2 or bond NH2 mean amine suppose CH3 NH2 नेमिंग हमें पढ़ू मुझे नेमिंग लिखुनी जस्ट गोटे एग्जांपल दूसरी यार नेमिंग को नेक्स्ट क्लास को पढ़ी पढ़ी जीवु C2H5NH2 C2H5NH2 that is amine suppose RCN that is nitrile bond nitrile or cyanide suppose CH3CN or C2H5CN like that CN mean that is the nitrile group you have to remember that CN mean that is nitrile suppose RN double bond and coordinate bond with C or plus minus mean isonitrile suppose CH3NC here is these C are included under the parent chain but these C are not included in the parent chain this is the basic difference then bond SO3H sulfonic acid okay CH3SO3H या यदि aromatic compound को लगे benzene sulfonic acid SO3H that is the sulfonic acid NO2 that is nitro NO2 mean nitro suppose CH3NO2 C2H5NO2 these are the main functional group you have to remember okay there is also some other functional group but this is the main fundamental functional group you have to remember तुम यदि याकू मन रखी पार्छ then nomenclature should be easy then we go to word root then another basic part that is word root mean total number of carbon present in a parent chain in a root chain that is called also root word means suppose this is a chain so this longest part just like the planet just like the plant this is the main root this is the branch root like that this main root suppose here is one carbon here is one carbon here is one carbon here is one 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 so word root is 9 okay total this carbon are not counted as parent chain or word root mean if this is the longest part then this is the main root then these are the branch root are not counted as the carbon in word root word root. Word root mean the number of carbon present in parent chain or root chain are called word root. Okay, are called word roots. Here is the number of carbon. Here is name of word root. Name of word root. Number of carbon, if 1, then word root is meth. If number of carbon 2, then word root is eth. Number of carbon is 3, prop. 4, but. 5, pent. If number of carbon is 6, then hex. If number of carbon is 7, then hept. If number of carbon is 8, number of carbon name, then oct. If number of carbon 9, that is none. 10, that is deck. Then 11 on deck, dudeck, trideck, tetradeck, pentadeck, just like that. Okay, you have to remember up to 10. Okay, यदि तुम्हें ताठू अधिक मन रखते तो बहुत भल कथा कि अप टू टेक मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट. दिस इज द मिनिमम पार्ट ऑफ द नोमेनकल्चर, जस्ट लाइक द अल्फाबेट इन इंग्लिश. जमी एबीसीडी न जानिकी इंग्लिश लिटरेचर को पशिबा बेले जेमती लगे जदि फंक्शनल ग्रुप और वर्ड रूट, सफिक्स, प्रीफिक्स एंड द सम बेसिक रूल जदि एतिकी जिनस तुम न जानुच तुम जेबे भी जेते नोमेनकल्चर को जेतेटा कंपाउंड जदि नोमेनकल्चर मन रखा चेष्टा करिवो केबे पारिबोनी. बट जदि एतिकी जानि होछ तब जहाँ भी आसो कहीं तो लाख 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 कंपाउंड अच्छी ना, तुम जहाँ भी आसो वेरी इजिली चुटकी रे नेमिंग करथिबो. ओके, देन होमोलोगस सीरीज. homologous series. Homo mean what? Homo mean equal. Then what is the equal? Mean the series of organic compound, a group of organic compound. Series mean that is the continuously. Suppose first 1 carbon, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, just like that, and having same functional group. As it contains same functional group, its property will same, its chemical property will same. Okay, mean the series of organic compound, which have same functional group. Homo means same, equal what equal? No, equal the functional group. Okay, the series of organic compound, the series of organic compound having same functional group, are called homologous series. Homologous series are called homologous series. Means, and each carbon are differentiated from each compound differentiated from other compound by bond CH2 group. Each compound differentiated from their next from their next compound by bond CH2 group. Bond CH2. Bond CH2 means the differentiated atomic mass, differentiated atomic mass 14 U. Differentiated atomic mass is 14 U. Okay. So as the differentiated by atomic mass, its physical property mean like boiling point, melting points should be different, or its states, its physical property are not same. Chemical property same, but physical property are not same. Okay, for example, यदि आम एग्जाम्पल कथा जीवा, सपोज CH3OH, C2H5OH, suppose C3H7OH, C4H9OH. As in all compounds there is the alcohol group OH, bond OH. So it is the what? Homologous series, just like that. And from one compound to another compound, here is one carbon, here is two carbon. So different carbon is C, and here is 3H, here is 5S, so H2. So differentiated by bond CH2. Here is also, you look that here is 2 carbon, here is 3 carbon. So different carbon is 1, different of hydrogen is 2, so CH2. Just like that. Suppose you can also write that the suppose CH4, C2H5, H6, C3H8. That is also what? Homologous series. All are the include under alkane group. Okay, this is the homologous series, and these are the functional group and word root. This is the most important part. आजिका दिन तुम एति भलसे पढ़ो. नेक्स्ट काली को आम तार नेमिंग स्टार्ट करवा, रूल रु आरंभ करवा. कहीं को तुम जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप न जानूच तेज आम नेमिंग कर किसी भी मीनिंग रही ना. ओके, थैंक यू.